We are looking at how to pronounce this name of Korean origin, as well as how to say more interesting, confusing perhaps, and often mispronounced names too, so make sure to stay tuned. So how do you say this? Well, the English spelling or the Romanized spelling of it is indeed confusing, and most people understandably pronounce this as Choi, Choi, but indeed in Korean that's not how it is said, rather Choi, Choi. Pretty straightforward. Once you know it should be spelled really C-H-W-E, it would make a bit more sense, because it is to be said not Choi, but Choi, Choi. And now you know. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. More videos on how to pronounce more interesting words and names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.